The Cornell Cup USA is an amazing competition, all about innovative embedded system design. It features the Intel Atom, which is an incredible powerhouse and tool for our students. Students have the freedom to create anything that they want. But the thing is, they have to be able to say, what is the challenge they're trying to solve? What is the real need that they're trying to meet? And then be able to describe how their solution is an answer to that problem. And even go as far as to say, what are the performance metrics that they would use to evaluate any solution to that problem in order to demonstrate that, yes, in fact, their entry is one of the best solutions possible to that challenge.
It's a wheelchair-mounted robotic arm that is 7 degrees of freedom, lightweight, compliant, and most importantly, inexpensive. We were running on, I think, 4 hours of sleep in the past 48 hours. But at the end of the day, this is what matters. It's the real-world application. And I think it's a really, really fantastic opportunity to be able to do that now, especially as undergrads.
We created a smart backpack that keeps track of any item that you consider as important and lets you know if that item is within a certain range. Our collaboration with Intel is we're using the Intel Atom board, is the D2i 150, to do all the processing.
Intel has, aside from naturally giving us the board that we're running all the stuff off of, they funded us to put a lot of things on the robot. A lot of the hardware we've either added or replaced on there, which has been very helpful.
By using our system Neo Wheel, we can control the wheelchair just by using the brainwaves. We believe that it will provide them the mobility to move around with the wheelchair.
Our focus is on creating an upper body exoskeleton for applications in both occupational lifting, physical therapy, and mobility assistance.
A lot of the components on the shoulder, basically anything that's silver in color, were manufactured by us on a CNC machine at the University of Penn.
This year was an incredible event. We grew by 50%. We have so many teams from around the country and so many different ideas, all looking to use the Intel Atom as, again, this great tool for being innovative and really meeting real people's needs.
We had all different mechanical engineering. We're specialized in software, and he was specialized in hardware. And without everyone's help, without everyone's specialty, this could never be happened. So we learned that the teamwork was essential. So yeah.
You know how each individual component works from your classes and from your research. But when you put everything together in a project as big as this one, it all starts behaving differently. And it's a really complex system, and understanding how that works requires a lot of work that you don't learn in the classroom, that you can only learn in hands-on experiences like this one.
You have to create the answer, right? And that's what we've done, bringing together different snippets of pieces in order to make a solution for something that there wasn't really a solution for.
It seems like an absolutely amazing conference and a lot of people here that definitely enjoyable to talk to.
It has provided a chance to network with all the teams from different colleges or different universities over here and to learn what is the cutting edge technologies on which they are working and what are the key sectors in which the various teams are focusing, and we can even gain knowledge about all that.
We encounter this community of engineering where we talk with one another and we meet other people, and this way we get a bigger connection.
The competition in general is just really well put together. It helps not only our team but all the other teams to showcase their work.
This is a great way to kind of showcase what we've been working on, but also learn from other teams, get their feedback. It's always nice to get some feedback from your fellow colleagues, and this national competition is a great way to do that.
One of the reasons why I come to the conference is, one, I own our relationship with Cornell University as well as other universities. And I think this is such a great opportunity to kind of see the showcase of what the students are working on, and also understand some of their career drives and kind of mapping that back to the company and seeing where our opportunities are for hiring them as well.
And we really appreciate and are very thankful to Cornell for their support and for their help and for their staff.